How to withdraw money from Bybit to your bank account. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallet by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Bybit and sign in with your account. Then you're gonna need to simply search for P2P into your search icon on the top of your screen. Now once you search for this, go for it, and then what you need to do is to simply click on the sell and make sure that your currency is selected, and make sure to select USDT, or if you have Bitcoin or Ethereum, you will also be able to transfer it to your bank account. Otherwise, if you does not have the specific coin, you can simply swap it for the coin that is listed below. In this case, it is only 4 coins. So let's simply click on the amount, and you can simply enter the amount if you have a specific amount. Otherwise, click on all payment methods, and as you can see, we have Wise, we have Revolut, we have Zelle as our payment methods. We also have Bank of America and Apple Pay. Now let's simply search for bank transfer. And if I search for this, as you can see, we have all the major countries bank transfer which we can go with. Otherwise, click on bank transfer and click on confirm. Then this is going to reload our page, and then you can simply go with any of the verified trader that is giving you the best rate, and then click on sell button. Then you're gonna need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw, and then click on add payment method. And as you can see, we have now option of our name, our bank account number, our bank branch, and our bank name. Make sure to enter all the details accordingly and correctly. Then click on confirm on the bottom, and once you have entered all of your details, the next step will going to be transaction info, which is going to give you the average payment time and the order history of that particular seller. Then you just gonna need to withdraw your amount and you are good to go. But make sure to go with the small amount first, like $5 or $10, and then you can go with the maximum amount. So hope this helps. This is how you can withdraw money from Bybit to your bank account.